In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to insert a video into a PowerPoint presentation. This PowerPoint is going to be on butterflies. So we're going to insert a video into this box by clicking the little video that says Insert Video. We are inserting a video from a file, so we hit Browse. The video I want to insert is in my Videos file. I click on it and I hit Insert. The video will now be embedded inside that slide. You can also insert a video onto a blank page by hitting Insert at the top, going over to Video, and hitting Video on my PC, and inserting it this way. Thanks so much.